On March 7, 2025, Jetour Auto's new square box model Freedom was officially launched. The new car is positioned as a road travel off-road SUV, offering two power options of 1.5T and 2.0T, and adopting the XWD fully automatic intelligent four-wheel drive system. The new car has a total of 4 models according to the configuration. The price range is 124,900 to 154,900 yuan, and the exchange price is 99,900 to 129,900 yuan. At the same time, the new car also offers multiple car purchase benefits such as expansion gifts, renewal gifts, stress relief gifts, peace of mind gifts, fun gifts, test drive gifts, and camping gifts. In addition, the Jetour Freedom Star Moon Goddess Edition was officially launched to welcome the arrival of Goddess Day. The new car is equipped with a special fantasy purple paint and is sold at a price of 138,900 yuan. Jetour Freedom continues the design line of the Shanghai T1 model in terms of design. The new car continues to adopt the square box design style and is more elegant in details. For example, the four-leaf clover shape is used in the headlight group, and the daytime running lights embedded in the interior make the entire headlight group look more three-dimensional and technological. As for the details, the letter logo is used in the inner part of the grille, which helps to increase the recognition of the model. In addition, based on the original vehicle data, we can customize 3 main modification parts, including side stairs, roof luggage rack and small backpack at the rear of the vehicle. We also provide road rider modification kits, 4 styles of 19 and 20-inch wheels and other modification parts. At the same time, various peripheral accessories such as 10.33-inch co-pilot entertainment screen, 60L spare storage box, 360 degrees floating small table, wireless charging car mobile phone holder and mosquito-repellent camping lamps are also available. The square box design is adopted on the sides, the flat roof line provides a good driving space in the interior, and the black front and rear wheel arches and the roof luggage rack also enhance the solidity of the whole vehicle. The dimensions of the length, width and height are 4706/1967/1845 mm, and the wheelbase is 2810 mm. The design of the rear of the car reflects the sense of layering. It uses the same taillight group as the front headlight group, and is connected by 2 black decorations. In addition, the logo letter placed on the rear of the car reflects the front of the car, making the entire rear of the car more recognizable. The interior adopts a minimalist and tough design style, and most functions are integrated into the 15.6-inch floating central control screen. The screen will be equipped with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8155 automotive-grade chip. The overall processing speed is still very fast, and the user interface layout is more reasonable. The combination of full LCD display panel plus large-size central control screen, in order to make the operation more convenient, a row of physical buttons for frequently used functions are kept under the screen. In terms of onboard computer functions, it supports common functions such as online navigation, online entertainment, mobile phone connection, voice interaction, OTA upgrade, etc., and the recognition rate, processing speed and processing capacity of voice interaction are commendable. In terms of comfort configuration, the new car will also have features such as wireless charging for mobile phones, Sony audio system, Queen passenger seat. In terms of intelligent driving, the new car will be equipped with L2 Plus assisted driving functions such as FCW forward collision warning system, TSR traffic speed limit sign intelligent recognition, LDW lane departure warning, BSD intelligent blind spot monitoring, LCA lane departure assist system, DAO door opening warning system, RCTA rear cross collision warning system, AEB automatic braking system, TJLA traffic jam driving assistance, LK intelligent lane departure assist, ICA intelligent follow-up, ACC adaptive cruise control, APA fully automatic parking and other driving assistance functions, and will also be equipped with DMS fatigue driving monitoring and 540 degrees panoramic imaging. In terms of power, it will be equipped with 2 engines, 1.5T and 2.0T, with maximum power of 135 kilowatts and 187 kilowatts, and maximum torque of 290 Nm and 390 Nm respectively. On the transmission side, it is matched with a 7-speed wet dual-clutch transmission and 8 transmission. At the same time, the new car will also feature BorgWarner's 6th-generation Intelligent Torque Manager Plus Intelligent Limited Slip Differential Lock, 7+X multi-drive mode, automatic switching of four-wheel drive mode, automatic distribution of rear-wheel torque and intelligent distribution of power output, and XWD fully automatic intelligent four-wheel drive system. In addition, the new car has a 28 degrees approach angle, a 29 degrees departure angle, a 19 degrees longitudinal breakover angle, a ground clearance of 200 mm and a water fording depth of 700 mm. In addition, it offers users a richer vehicle usage scenario thanks to its 1.6-ton towing capacity.